What's up, everybody? It's Nick the Piker. I'm back. So today, got a short amount of time to fish. Trying to catch some river smallmouth bass. Hopefully I'm lucky. Hopefully what I'm using works. Today, I'm going to be using... Oh, sorry. I'm not together with my stuff. Anyways, today I'm going to be using this deal in a pre-rigged worm lure. Wish me luck, stick with me, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, tell me what you think of my video, and let's get it. Don't have much time. I'm going to be trying a jig with a little soft plastic paddle minnow. I've never used this before here, but I feel like it's gonna work, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna try this first. I just feel it. For some reason, I feel like this is the ticket. This thing is gonna work. Smallies like little minnows this time of year on this river, so I'm thinking this is gonna work for me. Water actually looks really nice today too. Last time I fished this river, it was the last video I posted, and the water was muddy, but I'm at a different spot now, and this stuff looks pretty good, so maybe I'll get lucky today and catch a early spring smallie. That's what I'm hoping for. It's been cold, so I don't know what kind of effect that's going to have. Hopefully not enough to make it so the smallmouth aren't biting. They should be biting. I should catch something on this. I should. But we shall see. We shall see. Just gonna start right where I'm at here and work my way away from this spot, but this is right where I parked, so I figured, yeah, I'll try it out for a minute. Why not? Water is a lot clearer than I expected, so hopefully that's a good thing. Oh, I had something swipe. At it. I was just going a little too fast. I'll slow it down and see if I can get him to bite. I know that fish hang out in this little stretch right here. I'm gonna move over a little bit. Oh, okay. Move down here. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that, but I got a white-tailed deer right in front of me. I'm gonna keep walking towards him. He doesn't seem very concerned with me. He's definitely moving because of me, though. Can you see him? Oh, pretty deer. Ooh, there's another one. There's two deer over here. Sorry to interrupt you guys. I just want to fish. I won't bother you. I won't bother you. It's all good, guys. Yeah, there's 3. There's another one behind this tree. He's looking right at me. It's okay. Just here to fish. Not here to bother you. Hi, Mr. Deer, Mrs. Deer. I mean you no harm. It's amazing that they're not even scared of me. They're just continuing to eat and do their thing. That's pretty cool. They feel my zen, I guess. I mean, this deer is letting me walk right up to it. It's okay. It's okay. Look, it's cool. I'm like 30 feet from this deer and she doesn't even care. She's just chilling. You're pretty. Yeah, it's okay. You're good. So cool. All right, back to fishing. I'll chill here with the deer. Oh. Try this rod for a minute. I got a little more range, and I could slow it down a little bit. Water's definitely deeper here. Try this rig that I've never used here before that I don't know if it works or not. So at least I can cover ground with it. Picking up junk, man. I don't know what to do. It's frustrating. Just reel it in faster, I guess. That was a good retrieve. there's gonna be a fish anywhere, it would be right in this spot. There's even some minnow action when I walked up. Oh, what on earth? That's just my cue to quit for the day right there. Stickfish. Oh, I think I might have just got a bite. Yes. I was right. I got a bite and I got a fish. It's definitely a smallie. It's decent too. Oh, that's a decent fish right there. Yes, dude. Oh, what a battle. That might be a big one, folks. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish right there. I knew there was fish down in here. Oh, that's a big smallie right there, folks. For this river, that is a beast. That is a beast. Yes. Bring it in. That is monster. I just caught a monster smallie, folks. That is a hog. Look at that, folks. Woo-hoo. That is a beast. Look, right in the side of the mouth. It's at least 2.5 pounds. Maybe more than that. Unreal. I'm just so glad that I kept casting because I was about to leave. And look, here we are. Woo! That's a beast. That is a beast. I knew there would be fish in this deep spot right here. Oh my God. He was never getting away. But yes, that is a monster smallie. Look at the back on that thing. Oh, I wonder if I should weigh it. No, I don't have to weigh it. That's at least 3 pounds. 2.5, 3 pounds at least. What a beast. Look at the size of the meat on that bad boy. Yes. Unreal, folks. That just made my day. Beast of a river smallie right there. That just made my day. Woohoo! Well, now I know this lure works. I'm so happy right now. Here, let's get a good release on it. There's got to be more. That's a beautiful fish right there. That is a beast. Yes, man. That just made my day. All right. There he goes. That was awesome. Let's do it. Looks like this little made-up rig, Ned rig that I just used with a Moonite jig, it works because I just caught the biggest smallie I've caught in this river in a few years. So that was awesome. I'm gonna cast for a few more minutes and then I gotta go. But